guys, welcome back to Sugar Lucas, and today we're playing Resort Tycoon again. I gotta hear the music though. So good. Music is the best. And we're back. This is part 2 of Resort Tycoon. Last episode, we got the beep, we got the airport, and we're going to work. We got the party boat, and we got, where's my extra speed? Do I still have it? Yeah, I still have it. Okay. So in this part, we're going to go get some mun-mun, and we're going to go work on our airport, because I want to see what's in there. So we got $7,000 right now. And we have been doing great in our resort, in our glitch. So I just jump up here. Whee! Okay, so let's go by these walls. And let's go by our plants. And plus this game is amazing again. And wait, who are the creators of this game? Hold on. I gotta check. I'm going on my tablet right now to check the creators of the game. Hold on. Thank you to Ready Set More for letting me post their games on YouTube and letting me not get copyrighted so I can play this awesome game for you guys. So say thank you to Ready Set More for giving us actions so we don't get copyrighted. Thank you, Ready Set More. You're the best s'more. I'm going to go eat some s'mores. And we heard about this. What is this? Pool area. We can buy this now. So what is this? Buy pool? Buy pool water? Guys, we got a pool! Buy trees, buy lighting. Everybody better visit me now. On the alpha, on the leader. Wait, we should go check. Let's go to every atrium that I have so we can get some more mun-mun. And we should go. I am going to go travel to people's islands in different videos. So stay tuned to the series. All right. So we got 43K here. Okay, 43K there. Now let's go to the resort now. Where does this fishing spot, this airport come from? Like, is the airport to come to my resort? Because if it is... Okay. Why am I walking in the wall? Okay. 13K here. And let's go to the airport. Wee! 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 What's over here? Buy a row. Wait, hold on. I'm not gonna buy anything yet. Of course, we gotta get the beep. We got the beep out. Oh, why is the beep blue? Was it blue last time? No, it was yellow. What's our color? V8. Oh, blue. Blue. Gotta take a poo. Because I said blue. Gotta take a poo. 15K. Keep buying this stuff. I like biting stuff. Okay. What is over here? Buy a road. Why would I want to buy a road? Buy airplane taxiway? What? Buy taxi. There's not taxis by runway. What is this? Are we going to be able to fly planes? Because if we are, I'm going to be really happy. Tarmac. What's a tarmac? Buy Sturblane. I can get a plane? Wait, I need $100. Wait, I might have to come back to this. Buy waiting area? Okay, buy aircade gate. Alright, buy ticket scanner. Can I buy anything else? Can I buy something over here? Yeah, I can buy this. My escalators. Oh, that's why I saw something on the roof. Could I just jump down here? I'm so stupid. Okay, 26 stars. I want to get that plane though. That's it. Did you see that? It's an airplane. By the lighting first. This game. It's too good. It's too good to be a Roblox game. Okay, so I'm gonna go work on this money. Should I go back and get some more money? You know what, I'm gonna drive the VA7 there. Cause this thing is fast. I'm too dumb to control it. Look, when you even start, you go forward. Oh shoot, we're gonna fall off the cliff. Yes, we are. I wanna drive off. Darn you. I don't like trees. They're mean. Trees are mean. Trees are mean. Okay, oh god. Okay. In we go. Okay, 20K. I got 20K dollars. Buy walls. I want to buy halls. Why doesn't it say buy roof? If it rains, we're just gonna sit in the rain. Buy hallway, buy room. Buy poolside room. Don't have enough. I'm so poor, guys. Like I'm kind of getting scared because I'm a lot poorer now. Maybe because I just started the flipping game yesterday. Okay, keep buying stuff. I like buying stuff. Okay, let's take this bad boy to the fishing area now. Look how fast he is. Look how fast I got here. Oh, God. Okay, get out. Ow, I keep running into walls. Why do I keep running into walls? You are only at 11K. Is my game stupid? I've been gone for so long and you are only at 11K? You're useless. Can I lift my car? Oh, lift! We lift! So dying to lift. I can't even go. Oh God! Am I going to drive into the ocean? Why does it turn my screen back? Stop. Q. Oh, Q is down. I'm stupid. Alright. That there. E. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm carrying my car. Oh my God. Ooh, I got it. I got the car. Oh God. Did you see that? I was carrying my car. Wait, I want to do that again. Okay. Pick it up from the side now. Oh my God, not run it over. Okay, E. No. Q. This is so cute because I'm pressing Q. Oh my God. Oh, E, W. Oh no, not W. Oh my God. What is this? Look at this. Look, I'm the. Can I get up the roof? I made it on the roof. I made it on the roof. I'm under the water. No. Can I get on top of the fish? I'm on the fish. Alright. Well, I got the $100. I'm under the what the hello. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go leave you guys. I'm gonna go leave you guys to it. So bye guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay. Those cars are gonna have a good time and see you in the next video. If you'll even be there, if you'll still be crashed. Alright, come on. We're getting nothing done. Get the 20K. Get the 20K. Super Slay, because I'm going to say it's 20K. And Super Slay, now I got 20K. Right? Not 20K, like, give me a round of applause. Now. But also have a cow. Because I'll be so meow. Everyone. This is taking forever. Ever. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here, have some fun, and I'm just gonna wait. Okay? I'm gonna wait until I get some more money. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Okay, when is this gonna come on? Because I'm getting tired of waiting. It's been like an hour actually. Now for you guys, I've had to pause. I went to like a restaurant or something, and I'm back. Okay, we're just gonna wait for this to get to 100. While we're doing that, what time is it? Oh, it's like 4 o'clock. I started recording at like, I started recording at like 12. When did I start this? Little fart. Little fart, you little shark, cause I'm gonna go fart, cause I'm a little shark. Look what you made me do, look what you made me poo. My V8, hello mate, my name is V8, hello mate. My name is V8. Hello, mate. I'm so annoyed, mate. Do you want to say hello, mate? My name is so lame, and that is a shame. Franklin, how long have you been on the phone? Franklin. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Frank. Let's go see when these planes arrive. Wait, these are real games. Wait, what the heck? Wait. Arrivals, take flight. Wait, from Meep City, Brookhaven, Roblox HQ Olympics. What time? 12:15. Wait, I want to go to Brookhaven at 1:30. It's 3. Looks like you. Wait, gate 3? That's cool. They actually put like real life Roblox games. They put real Roblox games into this. That's fancy. Oh no, a little too fancy. The perfect amount of fancy. Icebreakers. Ooh, fancy. Why does this camera not stay up? That's not fancy. Okay, maybe it's a little fancy. Because I'm going to go return it and then it's going to be thinking it was fancy. Pouncy, bouncy, pouncy. And I'm gonna be dancing. I have $3,000. I'm so rich. I'm so rich, yeah. I haven't bought anything. I don't want to buy any. I want to save to get to 1,000,000. That's right. I said 1,000,000. Yeah. Wait. 400 is the airplane. I'm gonna get the airplane, girl. Okay, so this buy lunch station. I don't want to buy anything. All right, how are you doing? Why are you at 18? Did it restart? It restarted, you little old fart. Oof. So, submit your friend request. You're in a video. Oof. Oof. 120894. You're in a video. Good for you. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Come on, this is gonna take forever. What about the airplane? So bad? That would be sick. Sick in the brain. But we're only got... Stop jumping! What is that? That's annoying. You jump every time. Can't get too close for us to jump. Stop jumping! Sure about the auto click. I want to buy something. I suppose we go like this. 10K. We're rich. 360. We're so close to getting the airplane. Bro, we're so close. Wait, let it rest for a little bit. Let me get a breathe like... Let it go. Is that enough? Oh my god! I can smell the airplane. Come on, buddy. You guys can't see it? And I'm not letting you. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'll tell you. You don't have to worry about it. I'll tell you. Like our teachers say, I'll tell you when it's time. You don't need to tell me. Net worth 1 mil. I got the badge. Should I get the 1 mil? I'm getting 1 mil. I don't care about the airplane. Just kidding. I'm gonna go get the airplane next. Oh my god. Guys, 97. Come in the frog. Come in the frog. Come in the frog. I have enough. I have enough. I have enough for the airplane. Oh my god. I have enough. Oh my god. Guys, is this real? I'm dreaming. There's no way. There's no way. Oh my god. We're about to get an airplane, guys. We're about to get an airplane. It's around back. Oh god, let me in security. Excuse me, security. Oh, here it is. Buy Star Airplane. There it is. Wait. There it is. We got an airplane. Wait, can we drive it? Can we drive it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Whee! Oh god. Yippee! Oh god. How to control this? Oh god. I landed in the ocean. Wait, E, go up. Woo! Q. you. Oh my god. We got an airplane. Oh god, I'm gonna keep on crashing. Oh my god, this is so sick. I got an airplane. My car. Woohoo! Oh god. Oh god. Ah! My car. Up. Down. Woo! I'm gonna jump out. Whee! I'm so happy. Oh my god. I don't ever want to do this again. Oh my god, that was so cool. All that heart, I feel like there's something more expensive than that. And I'm scared to see it. Oh my god, I'm so flippin' happy. What? A big plane? Airplane. Alright. Let's go more. Oh my god, I'm so flippin' happy. So happy! Oh my god, it's $78,000? Airplane stressed me out. Whoo! Let's go, man. Let's go! Love this game. This game is the best game ever. Is there anything I can buy over here? Anything secret? Yes, I see a red glow. I see a red glow waiting for me. Waiting for me to see a surprise. What's the surprise? We'll go and see. Hangar. Garage by airplane. Wait, you can buy more planes? Wait, it's not that expensive. It's only 80. I'm 61 right now. Okay, this is a banger, guys. Are we about to get another airplane? If we are, I'm gonna cry. We're about to get another airplane. Let's go. Let's go, Jose. Let's go, Jose. Let's go get another airplane, Jose. What is this? Oh my god, I'm getting tingles in my spine right now because I'm so happy. Look. Got an airplane. Can I buy this? It's 25,000. We got 2 airplanes. Yo, we chill. I'm gonna get all the aircrafts hanging, dangling. Oh, I got 32. I'm gonna get more. Here, I'm gonna take a vehicle because it's taking too long. Have I ever drive the Jeep before? I feel like I haven't. Oh, this is way faster. Let's jump out. Jeep keeps going. Private jet? What? Private jet? Okay, we gotta do this in the next video. It's $1 million, but if you want to see another video like this, hit the subscribe button, and you don't have to because I'm gonna make another one video. And I will see you in the and peace. I'm gonna go ride in my airplane and probably crash it. Bye bye.